Hi, I'm Hannah Inman, Program Manager of the Mechanical Contractors Association of Metropolitan Washington, and we booked Tony earlier this month for our membership meeting. Tony's workshop on negotiations brought a lot of value to both myself and our members, as he provided a lot of areas for us to improve on as industry professionals and allowed us to strengthen some of the skills that we may have already had as professionals and just individuals, and ways to apply it into our everyday lives. I would highly recommend working with Tony. He's an extremely captivating speaker and has a great skill set for bringing the audience in, and when it comes to tips on being a better negotiator. So highly recommend him. He's a great guy, and we had a lot of wonderful feedback from this speaker, and this was actually one of our better attended events overall. So I appreciate all that you did and hope that we can work with you again in the near future.